Ever lost your Beam wallet? Or maybe you just got a new phone and need to transfer your funds. Don't worry, it's easier than you think. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to import your Beam wallet and get back to enjoying your privacy-focused cryptocurrency. Imagine this: you've been diligently mining Beam, accumulating those sweet privacy coins. But then, disaster strikes. Your phone takes a dive, your wallet data disappears. Panic sets in. Fear grips your soul. But fear not, fellow Beam enthusiasts. I'm here to rescue you from this crypto calamity. Beam, as you know, is a privacy-focused cryptocurrency that prioritizes user anonymity. This means your wallet data is crucial. Losing it can be a real headache. But the good news is, Beam has a robust import-export system designed to keep your funds safe and accessible. Now, let's dive into the nitty-gritty. There are essentially two main ways to import your Beam wallet. Using your seed phrase. What is a seed phrase? Think of it as your digital key to your crypto kingdom. It's a unique set of words that allows you to access your wallet and all your Beam coins. How to import using seed phrase. Open your Beam wallet app. Look for the Import Wallet option, usually under Settings or Tools. Select Import from seed phrase. Carefully enter your 12-word seed phrase. Double-check every single word for accuracy. Create a new strong password for your wallet. Confirm and voila! You're back in business. Using your wallet file. What is a wallet file? This is a backup file containing all your wallet data, including your private keys. How to import using wallet file. Locate your wallet file. It's usually stored on your device or in cloud storage. Open your Beam wallet app. Navigate to the Import Wallet option. Select Import from File. Choose your wallet file from your device's storage. Enter your wallet password. Confirm, and you're good to go. Important notes. Seed phrase security. Treat your seed phrase like the crown jewels of your crypto kingdom. Never share it with anyone. Write it down securely, store it offline, and never take screenshots. Wallet file security. Store your wallet file in a secure location, preferably offline. Two-factor authentication. 2FA for an extra layer of security. Enable 2FA on your Beam wallet. This adds an extra step to the login process, making it much harder for anyone to access your funds without your authorization. Troubleshooting. If you're having trouble importing your wallet, double-check your seed phrase or wallet file for any typos. Ensure you're using the correct password. If all else fails, contact the Beam support team for assistance. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay safe, stay private, and keep those Beam flowing.